What's good? It's your boy Mr. CEO Logistics coming at you once again. Thank you guys, man, for watching my videos. I appreciate you guys for the interaction. You guys jump over to Snapchat, you guys jump over to Instagram, message me. I'm just thankful overall. But today's message for you guys is make sure you get your oil change on a regular. Know what your kilometers are and take care of that. When you're getting your oil change, also have them look at your filters as well. It's very important, man. You guys don't want to run in those situations where your engine goes because you didn't refill your oil. Your air cabin is filled with dust and debris. So you guys get it checked out, man. Where I go in Brampton here. What do they call? All Truck Lube and Wash at 71 Stratford. For small engine, for small engines, the price hasn't increased. But if you drive the bigger, what do you call them, the Cascades and stuff like that, prices increase for sure when it comes to oil because of the transportation with the US and blah blah blah, all that nonsense. But anyways, this is where I am, this is where I go. Check it out if you guys are in this area. That's my message for today, man. Get your oil change done and every little thing that's needed. It'll save you in the long run, I guarantee it. Alright, so get it checked out, guys. Yeah, and for the rest of the month, what's today? Today is the 20th. It hasn't been too bad. There's actually 5 weeks in July. 5 weeks in July. So that's more opportunity to get more business, more opportunity to make more money, more opportunity to seek out things that you want to do, right? Especially in this industry. This is more opportunities to try and do some door knocking, do some canvases, do some promo. Don't ever stop trying to sell yourself, guys. Do the promo. It's what's needed. It will advance you further in this career, in this line of work. So here I am rambling on as usual. I'm yapping, but this is critical information for you guys, especially starting out, and for you older heads, man. Don't think you guys have it all down pat. You can learn a thing or two. Just keep going, man, and listen to the things that I'm telling you. So until then, don't forget to keep liking, subscribe, sharing all that bullshit. I appreciate you guys once again.